Hello traders, let me show you how I do my trading with simple strategy. If you want to learn, please subscribe my channel. Let us start now. This is spinning top continuation sign. I'll place my trade call option because I know definitely market will reach 100 EMA because of the spinning top and gap up. That's why I place my trade call option. We have 25 seconds. See strong bias entry. You see this is winning trade. So market close at key level 100 EMA. I place my trade put option because I know definitely market will reverse from 100 EMA. This is pullback. That's why I place my trade put option. Let's wait. You see sellers entry. This is winning trade again. So here is Grabstone at key level. I place my trade put option again because of Grabstone Doji at 100 EMA. So I know definitely market will reverse. So that's why I place my trade put option. See another winning trade. I place put option again. A reversal pattern at key level. That's why I place my trade put option. You see sellers entry. So if you want to know how I'm doing my trading, please subscribe my channel, share, comment. You see this is winning trade. I will say thank you, bye bye.